All right, let's put this front bumper on. Shouldn't be too big a deal. All right, I bought the OER hardware kit for this bumper, and the bolts they give you are they're too short. So I had to use this impact to kind of push them in there. They just should have made them about a 1/4 inch longer. They made them the perfect length to barely almost not fit. So. This one side, I had to flatten out in the vise, so I'm gonna see if it'll take it now. I think it will. Where's the... All right, the bumper is on there. Let's go to the rear, see if we can get that one on. I gotta go get some spray paint for this dashboard, paint it matte black. I think this car has earned the right to go and get its own parts. All right, so I had some problems with the audio on these clips, so I'm just going to voice over it. All I did was roll out this goop, as I want to call it, this rolled stuff. It's really easy to work with. Peeled off the backing and cut it, and I kind of molded it together at the bottom to make it like one piece. Laid in the window, which is very easy to do. I had to adjust the rope just a little bit. I had it a little too far down. Just set the thing in place, and it was really easy. Just kind of pushed around the edges to make sure it seated properly. And in the front, I did basically the same thing, just unrolled the rope and matted it together at the bottom, make it like one piece, peeled off the sticky stuff, and then just set the windshield in by myself. It's very easy to do, much easier than silicone. And this is the license plate for the car club my grandfather was in. Looking good. And here are the badges. 396 on the front fender. Pretty easy to install. You can get your hand in there. Now on the fenders, I used those push type things. Just pop them in there. And it worked out really well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. I've got plenty more coming on this car. Thanks.